Metabolic Syndrome. Introduction. Metabolism is in part the process your body uses to get or make energy from the food you eat. Select true or false. Correct. Food is made up of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Chemicals in your digestive system called enzymes break the food parts down into sugars and fat, which are used for energy. This process is known as metabolism. Do you have metabolic syndrome if you have one of the 5 metabolic risk factors? Select yes or no. Correct. You must have at least 3 metabolic risk factors to be diagnosed with metabolic syndrome. But having even one risk factor increases your risk for serious health problems. Pam has noticed she has been thirsty and urinating a lot more than normal. She is also getting dizzy spells. Pam is overweight and has an apple shape. Should Pam contact her healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Pam should contact her healthcare provider. Can all the factors that may contribute to metabolic syndrome be controlled? Select yes or no. Correct. Some of the factors that may contribute to metabolic syndrome can be controlled, others cannot. Healthy lifestyle changes are the first line of treatment for metabolic syndrome. Select true or false. Correct. Lifestyle changes may include losing weight, being physically active, following a heart-healthy diet, and quitting smoking. Medicines are also available if lifestyle changes are not enough. Treatment for metabolic syndrome often includes lifestyle changes. Select true or false. Correct. Healthy lifestyle changes are the first line of treatment for metabolic syndrome. Thank you for using Explain.